I just caught probably one of the craziest trades of my whole entire trading career. Guys, I'm going to give you guys so much value in this video. I'm going to break down so much crazy shit in this video that you guys do not know and you need to know. Look, give me 15 minutes of your time. I promise you, you're going to get immense value from this video. Check this trade out. I'll see you guys on my computer right now. Guys, this was the trade that I just caught with my team. Absolutely insane. Let me break down everything for you from the beginning till the end. What I was looking at is the S&P 500. That's all I trade. Looking at the previous daily candle, this is like the thing. This is what I'm doing every single day that I trade. Every single day. I start with the daily time frame, and I'm showing up 5 to 10 minutes before the market open. So at 6:20 a.m. my time in California, or 6:25 a.m. is right when I show up. Saw that our previous daily candle was a doji. So what are we going to see? Most likely a reversal. What is price already doing? Are we in a downtrend or uptrend? Uptrend. That's what I love about the S&P 500 is it's known to always be in an uptrend. If you look at the historical data, what is happening with the S&P 500? Let's go to a different chart. It's going up and up and up and up and up. Okay. In 2003, it was at $843. Now, at current price, it's at $5,059. Price is constantly going up. So what did I do? Previous daily candle on this chart right here, Owanda, was a spinning top, but I'm on the futures chart. Doji, new price was going to go up. I was 100% certain of that. And I went down to the 30-minute time frame, and I saw that we had this fair value gap right here, or supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. So I saw this zone right here. That was the first zone that I saw. I was like, okay, if price digs into there, I'm definitely going to take a buy. But then I was on the 5-minute chart, and I saw this fair value gap right between here, from this candle's high to this candle's low. Saw price, and that's when I took a buy. So right before, I think I was on the 1 minute when I executed. Yeah, so right here I saw it was pushing down, and I bought 6 contracts right here at 50.59. So right here, when the candle, this was right here, was pushing down, and then it pushed up right before the market opened. And then I discussed this with you guys the other day. And this is so important. I could have had my stops right below here. I could have had my stops right below here, but I was like, nah, I'm going to have my stops right below this previous low. And I'm so happy that I did that. It's important to find like the previous low of the day or low of the session. I don't know why my kill zones aren't loading. Let me refresh this real quick. Hopefully it won't like delete all my stuff right here. So basically I saw this low over here, and I was like, do you know what? I'm going to put my stops below there just to be safe. I don't know, it may go and break this wick, because this is like the market maker logic, and this stuff is so important. You guys need to understand this. The market makers know that a lot of traders are smart like me and you. And they're saying to themselves, okay, there's a lot of traders that are buying, and they see this wick right here. We need to have it. We need to push the market down so we can do 2 things. The first thing is we need to stop them all out. And once traders get stopped out and they think that they're on the right side of the market, they're confused. They're very erratic. Trading is a very emotional skill set. So a lot of traders, once they get stopped out, they're like hurt. And then what do they do? They're entering sells all in this candle right here. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is right at this wick. there are traders that are shorting the market. They think that the market is going to go down. So what do they have right here? Sell stops. So what do? The market makers come down. They go just a little bit below this wick right here. Okay? And they activate all their sell stops. And then what do? They push the market away very, very aggressively. So with me, I got an entry right here. Let me put these orders back on so you can see. Okay? So I got my entries all right here, but I still have my stops right below here. I was very smart. I knew that it was going to do this false breakout and it was going to play all these games, trap people to go short and all this stuff. I was smart about this. And I said, do you know what? On the minute 30 time frame though, I had that fair value gap. If price comes in here, what I'm going to do is buy. So I am buying on down close candles, selling on up close candles, but realistically, I am buying most all the time. If you guys are in my live trading sessions, which you guys can join, go to us30livetrading.com or click the link in the description so you can trade live with me and you can see my trading in action. Sign up there. But I knew that the market makers were going to come down, and I bought another contract right here at 55.50. So right when it hit this zone right here, right at like the top right here. And I was, honestly, I'm not going to lie, I was a little skeptical. I was like, do you know what? I don't know if this trade's going to go. It might hit my stop loss. And look at how close it was to hitting my stop loss, guys. It was 10 pips away. 10 pips away from hitting my stop loss. But at the end of the day, what really gave me my confidence and drove it home was the daily time frame. I knew that we had these highs right here, and if price was going to continue to go up, it was going to break and eat this wick right here, and it did exactly that. Now I want to show you guys something else that's very, very important to look at as well. Where's the time? Okay, right here on this candle, let me hide these execution labels so it's a little bit more clear now. So look, this 5-minute candle, it opens at 9:40 a.m., closes at 9:45 a.m. And after this candle, we have this massive bullish candle. Now, a lot of you don't understand this, but if you guys go to forexfactory.com, this is like, you guys, you need to use forexfactory.com to understand when this news is coming out so you can know exactly what news events are coming out, whether it's a good day to trade, a bad day to trade. I don't care about really unemployment claims too much, especially because it happened an hour before the market opened. But we had flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI at 9:45 a.m. So it's weird at 9:45 a.m. when these two news events come out, what happens? The market pushes up very, very aggressively. So a lot of the time when you guys look at these news events, most of these news events, when they come out, they're going to continue to push the market in whatever trend that it is currently in. So if the market's in an uptrend like it is right here, the news is only going to bring more volume. This isn't true for all the time. This isn't going to be true all the time. But it happens most all the time, if that makes sense for you guys. So I saw this news event. I was like, do you know what? If this news event comes out, it's going to just push the market up. And it did exactly that. So guys, this was the trade that I took today. This is probably one of the best trades that I have ever taken in my trading career. And I'm very proud of it. And it gets to a point with your trading where it just becomes easy. And a lot of you right now are probably trading and you're stressing, you're extremely emotional. Trading should not be like that. It should be very calm. Like when I trade, I'm sitting in my chair. It's like I'm showing up to the office right now, guys. I'm showing up. This is boring. There's a little bit of excitement, but trading should not be overwhelming and you're very emotional. You're freaking out. It should be very calm. You should be very relaxed. So if you are trading and you are feeling those negative emotions, you have anxiety, you're fearful, whatever it may be, you really need to rethink your trading strategy. And not just that, you need to do some self-development on yourself. Because that's when the change is going to happen. Once you start understanding that the markets are always going to stay the same. And they're not going to change for you or for me. So at the end of the day, you need to change the way that you are, your personality as a human being. And I'm telling you guys right now, like, nothing is going to change in your life until you start understanding that. So many of you, you want to become a millionaire, you want to become a successful trader, you want to make a lot of money, but you're so stubborn in your ways, in the person that you are right now, and you say, I don't want to change. I don't want to do that. Some of you watching this right now, you probably get in a relationship, whether you're a male or female, and you're like, I'm not going to change for that person. I love myself. It's like, bro, if you're not capable of changing for a person that you love and you want to fall in love with and be in a loving relationship with, how the hell do you expect to change it for the financial markets? You're not. So that's why I personally believe that so many people, they aren't successful in this industry because they have this ego. They want the markets to react to their personal life and what's going on and the way that they think. Like, that is not how shit works, guys. You need to do massive self-development, because my life stayed the same from the age of 17 to 18 years old until I started doing self-development. You guys see the books right here? Like, I'm reading books every single day. And if you guys want a really good trading book, go get this one right here. Show me you guys are serious and you appreciate my content. Buy this book off Amazon right now. The Daily Trading Coach. This book right here is like my trading Bible. After I read this book, I had the biggest breakthrough in my trading. Hands down. So, that's the trade that I took today, guys. Amazing trade. And I would go through this video a couple of times. This isn't like a one-time hit. Like, guys, go through this video and really understand the logic as to why I'm taking the trades. And fucking sign up for my live trading sessions, guys. Like, if you really want to get ahead with your trading and you want to see how I trade hands-on, sign up here. Go to us30.com, us30livetrading.com. There's a link in the description. And sign up, guys. Make an investment into yourself. Without further ado, guys, see you later. Peace. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.